Hello, my name's Julia Heathcote. I'm the A-level biology teacher at Wigan and Lee College. What I thought would be fun to do today is a kitchen science experiment where you can extract and look at DNA. So here are all the ingredients you need today. You'll need something to extract the DNA from. I've chosen a piece of strawberry, but you could do it with any fruit you like. You could do it with vegetables. If you're feeling really brave, you could even try it with a whole load of your spit. And then you'll be able to see your own DNA with your very eyes. So that's that. You'll also need some fairy liquid or other detergent. You will need some salt. You'll need some hot water, you will need some ice, and you will need some strong, clear alcohol. That alcohol is ideally vodka, rum, you could use rubbing alcohol or surgical spirit as well. Of course, you will need to make sure you have an adult who's able to purchase this and supervise you using it. I wouldn't recommend drinking any of the experiment at any time. It's not going to taste nice. Okay. As far as equipment goes, you could do with having a chopping knife, a teaspoon, a fork. You will need a couple of glasses, chopping board, glass mixing bowl, and a sieve. Optional extra, if you have a cooking thermometer, that will be great, but it's not going to be incredibly important. So the first thing you're going to do is to chop up your fruit into the smallest number of pieces possible. So you probably don't want to get much of the leaves in, but as much of the fruit as you can. So should end up with something that looks a bit like that. Okay, that's all going to go into one of your beakers. Just remember to be a tidy scientist. Okay, now you've got this much fruit in the bottom of the beaker. Add about the same sort of volume of washing up liquid. Doesn't have to be exact. Just pour it in. You'll probably find it actually comes up to about the same level. Now the salt. You need about 2 teaspoons of salt. Put that in. Okay. Now, take your fork, mix this around a bit. It's going to look pretty disgusting. There. It's sort of salty, it's soapy, it's fruity. Start sort of mashing a bit of the fruit against the sides of the beaker. Okay. Good. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take some of the hot water that you've had and you're going to top it up a bit. So you've basically got about a glass, like that. Then take the mixing bowl and pour the rest of the water in. Okay. So this is definitely sort of too hot for you to have a bath, and you'd probably be able to do the dishes if you were wearing rubber gloves. It's that sort of temperature. So I'm going to carry on doing a little bit of mashing here. You could use a blender now, or at the end of this section. That's entirely up to you, and I take no responsibility for the mess. So I'm just going to stand that in here, in the bowl, as you can see, and we're going to leave that for about 20 minutes. Okay.